can't even finish my haiku without being interrupted.
Hey, cute. You're going to help me? Don't hesitate to come to me if you need anything. Good question. Basically, things other—
So,
I guess I could give this a go. I knew it! There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able to float across? Let's ride this wind current, shall we? Leave it to me. He. Ha. Hua. Hit. 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 It's an electro monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties. Here. Hit. You're in for a little shock. Blitz. Yep. Here. When it comes to wet enemies, I've got them covered. Oh, another wind current. Let's ride it up from here. Come a little closer.
No one escapes my sights!
Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents. The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking than love at first sight. Oh, you want to know about this gem? You're kidding. You're seriously asking? This is a vision. It's used by the Chosen to draw on elemental powers. In terms of mysticism, I suppose you could call it a magical lightning rod. What? You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly churl with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, hilly churls aren't exactly known for their smarts. And you'd more or less qualify to be a magister's apprentice. Break it, and we can head home and relax.
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things. Let's head back to the statue.
Dragon of the East, Lion of the... They are the four winds of Mondstadt. Of the Dragon of the East, Storm Terror. Though most in Mondstadt seem to have forgotten that. So now you know why Dvalin is only... Because it has been consuming itself from... Because of hatred,
Hatred?
Hatred for Mondstadt. Hatred drove it to become something more powerful than...
But why would one of the four winds hate the city it was supposed to protect?
As a child of Mondstadt... Here, take this.
Well, you should come with me. Paimon will tell you about the rest later.
Don't worry, darling. I'll take very good care of you. So...
It's finally done. Well, all that way, want to go back and see how the knights are doing? But if you got anything more interesting to do, by the way, we obtained another we might come across more of them in the...